Nice to meet you. How are you? Okay, I'm also good. Thanks for asking. I'm from India. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm using this platform. Do you want to enhance your English speaking or you want to just interact with the co-learner? Okay, you just interact with the co-learner. It's okay because you are a good speaker. You are a fluent speaker. That's why you don't want to discuss any topic, right? I have a one topic. Do you want to discuss? Because it is a better for us. I'm a language learner. I don't want to waste my time because this time also important for me. Okay, then we tell you tell about your daily routine and I will tell about my daily routine. It is a better because it is also important, right? Okay, will you tell or shall I tell first? Okay, I tell first. Daily routine, right? I get off in the morning at 7 a.m. After that, I do my morning church. Then after I worship. After that, I go to kitchen to prepare breakfast for my family members. After that, I serve breakfast for my family members, and after that I take breakfast. After that I talk with my family members. Then after I start for preparing lunch. After that I serve lunch with whole family members. After that I take lunch. After that I watch any kind of YouTube video how to enhance English speaking, and I learn from there. And I watch also YouTube video in different TED talks. And in south part one lecture, and she got retirement right now, Sumita Roy. I watch her speech. And after that one also YouTuber Sandeep Patil, I also watch his YouTube video. I gain some knowledge from there. And I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I follow them. After that that I use this platform, and I interact with the co-learner. I do daily. After that after 4 p.m. I prepare some snack, coffee, tea for my family members. I keep them. I sort them. After that I take also. And then after I prepare uh, dinner for my family members. And then after I do means different work. And I watch also some motivational YouTube speech on YouTube. And after that also I read, write something. And I'm a language learner. That's why I do I do simultaneously 4 pillars per day: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why after 9:30 I take dinner together with my family members. After that I go to bed around 10:30. And before going to bed I read books. And I write something on my diary. It is my daily routine. Thank you. And right now you tell about daily routine. What do you do? Okay, you don't want to tell about your daily routine? It's okay, no issue. If you don't want to tell about daily routine, no issue. Then you tell. I think you are from India, right? You are working in Dubai. Okay, how long have you been working in there? You are working in 5 years. Okay, then what kind of work do you do? Okay, you are working in company, right? What's your qualification? Which field have you done? Okay, you have completed your graduation in which field? Means have you completed in technical, non-technical, or any kind of medical stream, or what else? Okay, you have completed plain graduation. Plain graduation means BA arts, means BA or BSc or commerce, or which field? BA. Okay, so fine. Then how did you get that job in there, Dubai? Means did you appear any kind of interview, or do you have any kind of relatives in there, or they have searched job for you? What else? Okay, you appeared interview, right? Okay, so fine. Then do you want to change your profession in future, or do you like that job? Okay, you like that job. Okay, so fine. And how many days do you get holiday if you want to come in India? According to your company, right? 1 month, 15 days, this kind of. Okay, so fine. Then it is better because you don't want to change your profession in future, right? You want to stay there. Okay, do you take your family members in there, or do you stay alone in there? Okay, you stay alone in there. Okay, so nice. Do you interact with anyone in English, or do you know their native language? Okay, you interact with English language in there, right? Because all different country people live in Dubai, right? And you people interact with the English with your company also, in company also inside, right? Okay, I got. If you meet with any Indian, then you interact with them in Hindi, right? Yes, it is a good, because I'm a language learner. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm using this platform. And if I get time, then I use this platform. And I meet so many cool learner here. And maximum people are excellent speaker and good speaker. Less people are a beginner, but I met so many learner here, but they are excellent speaker. They are good speaker. They just want to interact with the co-learner. They don't want to take any topic. Yeah.